On to my channel. So before we dive into the practical step of this thing, I would like you guys to watch this thing. Okay, just pay close attention. This is the prompts that I use to build this particular landing page. Now I want you to understand something. AI is not perfect. All right, so you are the one that is controlling AI. You tell the AI what to do and what it must not do, and the answer is to follow you. So his own job is to follow you. So that means what you put inside AI will determine the response and the result that AI is actually going to give you. Okay, what you put there will determine what is going to give you. Now if you see this is a very long one, a very long instruction, I mean a prompt, because it's a very long one. All right, now after he generated the first landing page, he applied the footer. After I generate it, I give my own prompt. Because before, this 2026 is 2024, and I told you that okay, convert that 2026 changes to convert that 2024 to 2026, and I say add the payment method. People pay before they get access. I put my OP, I put my phone number, and I put my name. And I said after they pay, it take them directly to my WhatsApp. And I asked AI to configure it. And I also told him that this will be the support link, support WhatsApp, support WhatsApp message. And after he updated that, I said I want my account number to be easy to copy, not by selecting. They click once and instantly it generates it. All right, and the currency is naira, not dollar, because it actually use dollar for me. So you are the one who will prescribe what you want. And after that one, he gave me the currency that I want. So the total money is 49,000 naira as a price. I've not touched it. Okay, next I come, I say update the landing page, and I give it an update. You can see the update here. You can screenshot and write it. So basically what I'm showing you is that what you don't want, the AI is going to get it done for you. So after that one, he told me that he finished it, and I said for social proof, because he asked a social proof, I said it look artificial. I don't want you to make it look real. And before it actually generates me people out of the country, people out of the state, people, And I said, okay, I want the social proof to be in Nigeria, a Nigeria social proof, and he done that for me. Okay, and I give another. He said, I give all those updates. You can read it by yourself, and he do that for me. Another thing, I came home. I said the social proof is not working. It's disappear. I said fix it back. Okay, and he done that for me. Okay, so later on, I come back. I said, tell me your ability. Do not lie. Do not blabbering. Don't try to be your best for me. I need an honest answer. You told me you can install Pixel, because I asked the group this thing before that. Can you install a Pixel on a sub-niche or subdomain website, which is of mine? My own is also subdomain, and he claimed to do so. And I found that there's another one they call conversion API, which is actually good for tracking also. And he told me that yes, I can do it, and he gave me what to do. All right, so he gave me what to do. He do all those things. He gave me what to do. All right, I give you another instructions. I'm stressing this so I can be the best. Okay, the thing that you gave me, I read it and I said okay, it's not necessary. I told you to remove it. Okay, so he asked me to do it. All right, I said it's not necessary, and I asked to give me step by step how to do the installation and the PC installations and the conversion API, and he gave me. All right, he gave me. And I also use ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, where is it located? How do I find it? How do I start doing it? I asked questions from ChatGPT, and he gave me a direct answer. And I went there, I found this, I copied it. You can see I said below some credential as you requested, and I copied it. I copied it. I copied everything. So when I copy it, I send it. It ran enter problem. It ran enter problem here, and it solved it by itself. Can you see? It solved it by itself. And the last one that I say check thoroughly and fix everything. I ask, check everything, check thoroughly. Whatever you see that is not working, make sure you confirm them they are working. And you also, before you launch your whatever you want to launch, just make sure you do what? You confirm it. Make sure all the pages are working, all the things are working. Okay, give me access. You can see it brought me down to here. You can see frequent question you want to ask. All these things are working. See what you are going to learn. So it break me here. You can see everything is working. If I click on start building today and I pay, okay, and I pay, you can see the WhatsApp support, the terms and condition, everything is actively working. Why? Because I requested for it. So you need to understand all these things. Because I requested, I instruct the AI to get the job done for me, and which are the things that you are going to be doing also. So I need you to constantly focus on what you are doing in order to build a landing page that will actually convert a lot of customers for you. On my screen right now, this is what I mean by setting up pixel with your Google Studio account. You can see on my screen right now, this is my tracking. I've set up the Facebook pixels. It's already tracking now. The conversion API that I mentioned is already tracking. Let me show you. This is what I do. This one is the purchase. You can see I'm the one that do the two. I'm the one that do this. Nobody has ever buy from this, but I do this by myself. Okay, so I was actually testing it. Maybe it is working. You can see the setup. You can see everything. All right, and this is my website. You can see this is my website, AI landing page. This is the name of the website, and it is even a sub niche or subdomain. It's not a custom domain. You can see, so it is possible. When I'm telling you guys it's possible, let me show you this thing that I do. You can see, so this is where the integration started. You can see these are my Facebook credential, Facebook pixel. These are my code. All right, this is where the things get started. Okay, so if you are not seeing it, I cannot show you everything because this is supposed to be in secret. You can see, so this is my page that I'm using. This is the page that I'm using. Okay, the page that you meant on my ad, you saw my ad. So this is the page I'm using, and you can see where I build it. So you can see this is totally with AI. It's not that I'm doing any kind of coding this thing. So I want you guys to see. So we are going to go through this step by step. So, and I'm going to teach you how to make this also happen. So it is very easy to do. In fact, you can do it as soon as possible. Okay, so here we are. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.